Okay guys, we came across Indian restaurant again. So it's everything and every time it's very beautiful. Oh, very nice. It looks like this. This gentleman suggests us try something special from Indian food as well. It's like tandoori chicken. Finally, I would like some chicken from tandoori. I think it's very nice and very beautiful and very tasty part of Indian cuisine, I guess. So this restaurant is very nice. Let me check it out, guys. How does it look like? Getting over here as well. Okay, very nice area over here. A lot of locals. You can see over here some vegetables and chicken as well. A lot of things from Indian food. So every time it's very tasty. Look at this, guys. It's like kitchen everywhere. This gentleman got our order from here. So very nice. To be honest, Indian food is really tasty and very nice. Absolutely very tasty and mind-blowing. Are you cooking for me, brother?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, very nice. Okay, very nice. Look at this. It's ready for tandoori chicken and for some roti or naan. It's like very famous dish from India. So that's why I think it's gonna be really tasty as well. It's every time from Malaysia. In Malaysia, it's very nice. I love being here. You can find so many tasty food from Malaysia, Indian food, Arabic food as well. It's very nice and very tasty. Okay. Good day. Recording a little bit. It's a good experience for me. Very nice, brother. It's like some naan. It's like bread from India, I guess. Right? Naan, yeah. Looks very nice. This looks tasty every time. Look at this. Oh my gosh. You're really good at this. Oh, okay. Okay, guys. To be honest, guys, it's very nice, it's very tasty and very good. So let's see. I guess some cheese. Yeah? Oh, very nice. Looks perfect. I ordered some naan, this cheese. Oh, a lot of these. A lot of cheese, guys. Very nice. This looks very tasty. A little bit salt, I guess. Oh, it's already done. So fast. Maybe 2 minutes. Okay. Sorry, brother. I'm not going to interrupt you. But you're doing it's really great. Oh, looks very nice. But you're doing that, it's really nice. It's so tasty. Where are you from?
My from
What part of India?
Orissa.
South?
Orissa.
From where?
Orissa.
Orissa, it's south part of?
North.
Ah, north. Oh, okay. Ah, north part of. Okay. Okay. I guess it's my chicken over here. Wow, very nice. Ooh. Looks really tasty. It's so beautiful. Tastes so very nice. Absolutely incredible. It's already done. Second one. Look at this. Ooh, very nice. Yeah, it looks so tasty, guys. I'd like to try that. I'm gonna enjoy this food. This gentleman doing that is really nice. It looks so tasty, so beautiful. I really love it, Indian food like this. Wow! Whoa, a lot of cheese. I didn't expect that. So nice. Everything smells delicious. It looks delicious. I'm so hungry. Sorry, brother. It's for me? Oh, it's already done. Thank you so much, brother. I'm gonna enjoy that and see you later. Okay, thanks. Can I take it? Okay. Okay, thank you, brother. Oh, very nice. Look this. It's our chicken over here and bread as well. So I'm gonna enjoy that. Okay, guys. This is whole food for us. We would like to only bread is like naan, roti, masala tea. Thank you so much, brother. Very nice. Absolutely mind-blowing. We would like to enjoy that and try everything, guys. So it looks so tasty. Look at this, so amazing. Honestly, I'm really hungry, guys, and I would like to try everything. So, first of all, I don't know what I said. I like a little bit masala. Let's try everything. So, first of all, I would like to try Tandoori chicken. Just Tandoori chicken. A little bit sauce. Okay. It's so juicy, a little bit spicy. It's super nice. Oh, a little bit lime. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Okay. First of all, I would like to try this pato. It's like naan with cheese because it's so fresh. It's done already. Cheese and bread, perfect. This chicken is amazing. Oh, a little bit onion. Okay, guys. Let's try some roti with curry. Potato masala. This is really good. Every time it's very nice. Second one, like that. Oh, that's perfect. It's not so spicy. Very nice. Absolutely delicious. A little bit masala. Masala is perfect everything. Oh my god, guys. So, let me enjoy this dinner, guys. Of course, a lot of food over here. A bit like to share it and taste. See you in a while. Stay tuned. Okay, guys. We are done our dinner slash lunch. It was really nice and super tasty chicken, roti and naan. So amazing, masala great, tea and milk as well, catering is full as well. So this place is amazing. So this is Cameron Hills. So it's really worth it to visit this place and come to here and try some Indian food as well. Okay guys, it's time to pay. Berapa? Okay, look at this curry and beef restaurant over here. It's a very nice place, guys. If you would like to visit Cameron Hills, it's worth it to come here and get some food from India. It's very nice. So, okay guys, let's go.